Today we're gonna be doing a 12 guard haircut tutorial with the burst fade. So we tried to go in with the 16 guard. It was too big. So we're going a little bit shorter. So let's begin. To start with our cheek lining, we're gonna start here at the top. So the first reference point is gonna be here. Go ahead and blow a bubble here at the top, bro. That's our first line. Once we create this one, we're gonna go here at the top. Stretch the skin. Now we have that connection point. So we are gonna start our burst fade. So I think here, for a visual, the burst fade is gonna go from here, almost the middle of his ear, around the ear. So we're gonna create the base of our burst fade with a 3 guard lever open. Gently flicking up too. Now I'm freehanding everything on top of that 3 guard lever open. Now guys, we did a pretty good job with flicking out. So this is how it should look. Any inconsistencies, we're gonna go in with our thinning shears. I love using these YS combs. It's just, in my opinion, these are the best combs in the market. So we're just gonna snip a little bit. We're not gonna get too carried away because we still have to fade into this. Now we're just gonna clean the C-cups and around the ear. The most important part in this whole cut is gonna be the first guideline. How do you measure the guideline for a bird's fade? So this is how you're gonna set the guideline for a bird's fade. We're gonna measure it here at the middle of the ear and then half the sideburns. So the first reference point is gonna be here. The next reference point is gonna be here. So now we can make that connection point. We're gonna go a finger above using the 0.5 guard, and we're gonna go guideline by guideline and blend everything out step by step. To blend out this line now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from the open position and close it little by little. So I'm gonna only work from here to here. So it's in the 3/4 position right now, and I'm flicking out towards the top. Once we reach the bottom, I'm gonna go back to the starting point. Then go towards the middle and go lower into the guideline. So once we're done with that side, we're gonna go from the open to the closed position again. Now with this guard, we're gonna go a finger above, basically doing almost the same thing. So I'm gonna gently, just very gently flick up. So this is how you erase the 1.5 guideline. So there's two guards that we're gonna use. First the one guard, then the half guard. So we're gonna start with the lever open with the one guard and work our way slower going down. So that's gonna soften the line. Then we're gonna fully blend it out with the half guard doing lever play. So let's begin. All the way closed now. We're gonna gently just baby tap the beginning of the line right there. Just gently, because we don't want to lose sight of it, because we're gonna go in with that half guard after this step. Now this is gonna be a little trickier part. We're gonna do lever play. Lever play just means we're gonna play with the lever and we're gonna see what happens to the fade. So I'm gonna start with it closed and I'm gonna flick out into that line right there, and I'm gonna see what happens to the hair. I'm attaching the 2 guard. We're gonna open the lever. This makes the 2.5. This is gonna be the last step. So I'm gonna flick out, and we're almost basically kind of lever playing because I like the darkness of the fade that I have going on right now. This is gonna be a fairly quick step, and I'm gonna go and transition into my 1.5, then detail with my thinning shears. Very gently. I'll close it.